products that are a part of our skincare line. So it is going to be the Sunset Vitamin C Serum. Our serum and our moisturizer are both oil-based, and I love me some oils. So we have several feminine oils, we have several corrective oils, and now we have 2 facial oils. Our Sunset Serum has sweet almond oil, rose hips, vitamin E, and vitamin C. So vitamin C will stimulate your collagen, it will even out your skin tone, it will brighten, it will help with hyperpigmentation, and it will help with dark spots. Over time, you should start to see a more even skin tone and overall brighter skin. Our Glaze Light Facial Oil, we call it glaze because you're putting a light glaze over your skin, and it has sweet almond oil, calendula oil, rose hips oil. So only 3 oils to give your skin the moisture that it needs. A huge misconception about oils on your face is that the oils will clog your pores, the oils will cause breakouts, or it will leave you feeling like you just have way too much going on your face. We believe that the right oil can balance out your skin and enhance the appearance of your skin. So the oils that we use are not comedogenic, which means they are not pore clogging oils. So these are oils that will protect the skin and give the skin the ingredients that it needs to be in its healthiest form. Oils can be packed with antioxidants, it can help smooth out the skin over time, and it can provide moisture balance.
With your serum and moisturizer, you don't need much. We do serum first, moisturizer second. Remember, oils can provide balance of overproductive oil glands, mostly commonly found in humans with oily skin. For those with sensitive skin, it can provide healing benefits and relieving benefits, and for dry skin, it can definitely add moisture. Learn more about our feminine and skincare at allocurves.com.